Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Shanali and I'm so excited to have you here today. On this channel, I'll be showing you my whole process of me starting my small handmade jewelry business. In this video, I will show you what I got in my package, a little ASMR, so you'll definitely see what I have to work with starting my business, and I'm finally getting serious with this, guys. Making jewelry is a passion of mine. It's not just a hobby for me. I enjoy doing it. Quick note, guys, the video clip that I will be showing you today was pre-recorded, so I hope you enjoy the clip that I got. I did my very best of putting it together. Another note, I will be launching all my designs on my website in March. Here is the package. I'm literally using one arm, so I'm kind of struggling right now. Okay, there we go. First on the list we have the clay beads, glitter butterfly charm, white mixed pearl beads, this is a necklace and I have 18 gold and silver, chain, but I call it extender, white mixed glass rice bead, but of course the beadboard, gold star charm, the drill display card, stickers, more necklace, blue glass rice beads, gold glass seed beads, green mixed rice bead, plastic pouch, 4-leaf flower charm, more stickers, elastic thread, jump rings and clasp, ribbon, 6 color clay beads, acrylic butterfly charms, and more necklaces. Silver spacer, thank you cards, I'll be writing on the back, key rings, needle for jewelry making, gold spacers, silver star charms, pink mixed glass seed beads, purple mixed glass seed beads, looks great with pink, gold lobster clasp. Checking to see if they blend well. Glassy beads with 28 colors. Beautiful. Love the color mix. This video is the very next night when I came in from work. So hope you enjoy the ASMR in these clips. Can you pause it for me? Just keep. Editor. Be quiet. You know. No, the problem is okay.
Camera go like that.
My hand still up, my right hand. Pause.
Put it up more.
Yeah. This is the very next night, guys. I'm super tired coming in from work. Here am I preparing for the first design. So I got a shower, I ate something, and now I'm just opening my containers with the clay beads to get this work started. I will be fast forwarding my work because I don't want you guys to get bored, okay? Just sit back and relax and enjoy the music in the background. Here is my first design. I love how it looks. I love the way how it came out. It is indeed beautiful. I love the colors. Let me know, guys, if you like this design in the comment section. I don't have a lot of spacers for this particular design, so I'm only getting two. Yes, unfortunately. So I'm going to have two designs with gold spacers, and I'm going to have one design without a gold spacer. But I really do hope that you guys love it, so just stick around and enjoy the rest of the video.
This is the bracelet without the golden spacers. There you have it, my first design. I'm in love with them. They came out amazing.
Thank you for stopping by. I hope that you definitely enjoyed the little clips that I put together for you. Please like this video as it helps others that is interested to see my videos. And also don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my creative designs. See you in the next video. Happy beading.